Today, it's all about the face-off. This is the 8-inch awesome little 20-volt chainsaw from Hart. This is the 8-inch HP chainsaw from Ryobi. Both mini chainsaws, both look awesome. We're gonna face them off today. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. Get ready because here we... 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one. So with the first cut out of the way, let's go ahead and do a head-to-head to see how these do against each other. They both have 2 amp-hour batteries, 20 volts, 18 volts. Obviously, this is going to get fun. Now, this is brushed, this is brushless, so I expect a little higher performance out of this, but they are both competitors. Before we do the head-to-head, I'm just going to tell you this has the integrated tool built into the bottom, and the integrated tool for the Hart is right here in the handle. So this works out pretty good, at least head-to-head wise, right? A little bit of technology difference, but let's see how they do. All right, so Ryobi is the winner. There is a big price difference though. You can get this one for the kit for right around $100. You can get the tool only here for $150. So you're paying for the technology, you are paying for all of the attributes that come with this, and the build quality is a little bit better on the Ryobi than the Hart. But don't put Hart down, and let's not leave them in the dust, because they are innovating and they are going to come out with something similar. I almost guarantee it. Now, they are owned by TTI, both of these companies, and Hart is on its way up. I hope that you enjoyed this awesome little demonstration. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Get out there, go build something, make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, pass it on to the next generation, and we will all be better for it at the end of the day. Take care, everybody.